So as you can see here, we got some beautiful acorn squash we just got cooked up. I went ahead and added in my organic 14 mushroom blend in there. It's got a whole pile of different organic mushrooms, great medicinal compounds, just leaves you feeling so good. Lots of nutrients, all kinds of antioxidants, and of course, squash is definitely rich with carotenoids, insoluble fiber, vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, B6. There's a ton of different great nutrients that you can get out of acorn squash, including potassium, which so many people don't get enough of. I encourage you to get plenty of potassium in your diet. Remember, we need an upwards of 3,500 plus milligrams of potassium a day, and a banana only has around, depending on the size of the banana, probably around 350 to 450 milligrams of potassium. So it's so important that we get tons of potassium in our diet every single day. Adding on some steamed greens, also a great choice if you don't like the crisp texture of vegetables. You can always steam them a little bit, preserving some of that nutrition instead of overcooking it, right? Good way to go. We're doing some stovetop cooking, right? Instead of just throwing something in the microwave, get something on the stove. Get your hands on with your food, right? Go to the garden, handle your food, get a good connection with what it is you're eating and how it makes you feel. Get a feeling for the texture that it has in your mouth, and really antiquate yourself with new types of food, because if you want to expand your palate, you need to try new types of foods, and I really encourage you to do that. Whole Foods Plant-Based 7-Day Vegan Challenge. I challenge you to a 7-day plant-based diet. Give it a try, see how you feel. If you do it right, you give yourself good combinations of different things such as grains, beans, fruits, vegetables. You've got your legumes. You've got all kinds of great food that you can introduce into your diet. I've been doing it for years, guys. I feel great, and I know you can too. So let's keep up the good work together. Let's keep getting out that whole food onto the plate. I had a great idea. I thought about doing a meetup event, or starting meetups here in town as a local event where I could start bringing whole foods together and have people come eat, or maybe have like a small attendance fee to offset some of the cost of making the food. Or we could also do a running event, maybe even in combination with it, where we can go for a run together even during the colder months where there's less of a outdoor community and we still have an opportunity for those that want to be out in the cold weather together. We can go for a run and still get in some good exercise, some good sun, especially when we get less exposure during the cooler months of the year. So I thought that would be a cool idea. Do some running together, do some exercise together, and get some sun in and enjoy some of these whole foods. Trying to reintroduce this connection with our food. Trying new foods out. Get some new foods into your diet. Enjoy the texture of the food you're eating. Take your time to savor what it is that you eat. And just remember to be grateful for everything you have every day in life. Feels so good to be alive. Don't forget to breathe in that fresh air, get outside, have some fun. I hope you guys are doing well out there today. And let me know what you think of my idea down in the comments below. Is it a good idea? Should I be making some food for a local event? Maybe doing some outdoor exercises together. I want to create some sense of community for people because I know it's so fundamentally important to our emotional and mental well-being as well. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have just a fantastic day. Take care.